Hello everyone, welcome to another Arizona Airgun Hunter adventure. Today I am on the north side of my permission. Today's target, dove. I'm shooting from one of my favorite spots. I'm set up on a couple of hay bales, which are about 35 yards from this tree. I didn't realize there was a second bird behind it, or I would have went for a 2-for-1. I'm not going to do a lot of talking during this video, being that the shots are all occurring at approximately 35 yards. So I'll sit back and let you enjoy the footage. This next shot occurs at approximately 20 yards on a power line just above me. I couldn't resist. As you can see, the tree is full of dove. Shot after shot, they just keep coming back. Others never fly away, only to become the next victim. Every now and then I like to take a break from the action, and I walk around the farm just to see the different animals that he has here on his property. Some of these animals are pretty exotic and interesting. Here in this pen, he has a few buffalo, and right next to them are some Texas longhorn steer. Now let's get back to the action. Again, these shots are occurring at approximately 35 yards. I am shooting with my Hatsan BT65 and 25 cal. I am shooting the JSB exact keen 25.39 grains with a velocity of 912 feet per second. This is the last shot of the day. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.